Hi, I have created a series of videos to help you with studying for your Algebra 1 EOC. You will be getting papers like this if you're in my class. You'll be getting these, and it is folded a certain way and then stapled across the top. And what I'm going to do on the TV is show you how you're going to fold yours in class. And so this is your Algebra 1 Flippable. Okay, so you're going to have 4 pages, okay? There's 4 papers right here, and it's going to start, and you want to look at where it says Algebra 1 EOC Review. Now, we have dotted lines and we have solid lines, and those are my barriers basically, but just in case, you know, we fold on the dotted. That's what you need to remember, is you fold on the dotted. So there's my dotted line. So I'm just going to take just the first page. I'm going to flip it upside down, and I'm going to fold on that dotted line. And so I'm trying to keep it as straight of a fold as I can, because that's going to be how it sits together. And the straighter you get your fold, the better it'll sit like it's supposed to. Now I'm going to set that page aside. So I'm just going to move that page up, pull these down, take page 2, where it says rocks, flip it upside down again, and fold on that dotted line. Okay, so I folded on the dotted line, and so I'm nesting it. See how there's our EOC review that we folded down. This one I'm going to put underneath it. So it's going to show this, and then it's going to show the next title. Okay, so I'm going to set those out of the way. Take page 3, do the same thing. It says exponent rules, flip it upside down, fold on the dotted line. And then I'm going to nest it under my other 2. So now I have, at the top, I've got Algebra 1, Dixie-Royd, exponent rules, and then down here I've got linear, quadratic, and exponential. Take my last page that says important vocabulary, flip it upside down, fold on the dotted line as well. Slide it under, and it's going to nest to where you can see all of the topics that I'm going to cover in the review series. Okay? Then, once you have it tucked, you'll take a stapler and just staple in between the dotted line and that solid line there. And so you'll just staple there, and it will look like the one I just had in my hand. Right here. See how I did the staples? If you line the edge of your staple up on the line, it'll line up your staples to where you will have it. Now, for those of you not in my class, to be able to do this, which you are welcome to because these are going to be free on YouTube, you just need 4 sheets of paper. So you take 4 sheets of paper. So I'm going to take 4 sheets. And then I'm going to take the bottom one and pull it down a little bit. Try to make this where you can see it. Then I'm going to take the third one and put it up just a little bit higher than the bottom. It gives it that little bit of a gap there. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the third sheet and the fourth sheet. So can you see those layers right here on all of these? Okay, and then I'm going to take those papers that I just did, and I'm going to fold them down on top of the other papers, leaving that middle section. And then when I crease it, I have all of these little flaps for my flippable, and then you will be able to write things that you need from each video review lesson. So that is if you don't have my class. Now, this product will be available on Teachers Pay Teachers. It is under BtheMath, the letter B, T-H-E, and then math, one word, BtheMath, and you can print this off for $4 on Teachers Pay Teachers if you want to have your own printed version of that. If you don't want to, you can just make your own paper, just like so. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.